Who proposed the objective resolution to the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In which state Sariska Tiger Reserve is located? Correct answer, option A, Rajasthan. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Which city has been officially declared as India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option D, Kozhikode. Who is considered to be the first law officer of the Government of India? Correct answer is option C, Attorney General. Indian Standard Time meridian does not pass through which of the following states? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Who among the following was popularly known as the Frontier Gandhi? Correct answer is option A, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization is located in? Correct answer is option B, Rome, Italy. Which of the following right is described as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. Nanda Devi Peak is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who is the chairman of the National Integration Council? Correct answer is option D, the Prime Minister of India. Which of the following states shares the longest boundary with China? Correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within? Correct answer is option B, 6 months. Which country has hosted the Asian Games maximum number of times? Correct answer is option B, Thailand. Into how many zones has the Indian Railways been divided? Correct answer is option D, 19 zones. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? Correct answer is option B, Lord Cornwallis. Who is the longest serving Minister of Indian Railways? Correct answer is option C, Jagjeevan Ram. The science dealing with the study of phenomena at very low temperatures is known as? Correct answer is option D, cryogenics. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Orissa. Who is known as the father of Indian unrest? Correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which Indian state shares its borders with 3 countries, Nepal, Bhutan and China? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. India's first international multimodal logistics park is being constructed in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Which committee recommended constitutional status to the panchayats? Right answer is option C, L.M. Singhvi Committee. National Development Council was set up in? Right answer is option C, 1952. Which 5-year plan in India was based on the Harrod-Dumar model? Correct answer is option A, first 5-year plan. Which was the first Indian state to be formed on a linguistic basis? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Thaipusam festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. The two-nation theory was propounded in which of the following session of the Muslim League? Correct answer is option C, Lahore session, 1940. Kamakhya temple is located in which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Which one among the following formulates the fiscal policy in India? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Finance. In which 5-year plan period was the slogan Garibi Hatao given? Correct answer is option A, 5th 5-year plan. In which state Javdi and Shevaroy Hills are located? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) functions under which union ministry? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Where is the National Geophysical Research Institute located? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad, Telangana. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Correct answer is option B, Africa. Natpa Jakri Hydel Power Project is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following is not included in the state known as Seven Sisters of the Northeast? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Yakshagana is a famous folk dance associated with which state? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Sarhul festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Jharkhand. When did the Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag? Correct answer is option C, the 22nd of July 1947. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) was set up on the recommendations of which of the following committees? Correct answer is option D, Santhanam Committee. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Correct answer is option B, M.S. Swaminathan. The Losar festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Correct answer is option A, Chief Justice of India. Who will be awarded the 59th Jnanpith Award 2025 for the outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Where is India's longest railway tunnel being constructed? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Dokra art is mainly related to which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Recently, Kama Valley National Park has been included in UNESCO's World Heritage Tentative List. In which state is it located? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Achanta Sharath Kamal recently announced his retirement. He is associated with which sport? Right answer is option C, table tennis. Vallam Kali is a traditional boat race game played in which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. In which state are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills located? Correct answer is option C, Meghalaya. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is related to which musical instrument? Correct answer is option C, santoor. The Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is located at? Correct answer is option D, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is situated at? Correct answer is option B, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Who became the first woman chairperson of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option C, Jaya Varma Sinha. Mohiniyattam is a famous dance form of which state? Correct answer option B, Kerala. Fiscal deficit means? Correct answer is option B, difference between total revenue and total expenditure of the government. The doctrine of subsidiary alliance was introduced by whom? Correct answer is option A, Lord Wellesley. Famous Hindustani classical musician Pandit Ram Narayan passed away recently. He is related to which musical instrument? Correct answer is option A, Sarangi. National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of? Correct answer is option B, Sir C.V. Raman. Kalaripayattu is the martial art form prevalent in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Quit India movement was launched in response to. Correct answer is option B, Cripps proposals. Changing India is the autobiography of. Correct answer is option C, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Palghat joins which of the following states? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Shivasamudram waterfall is located on which river? Correct answer is option A, Kaveri River. In which state is the Vular Lake located? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Which Governor General introduced English education in India? Correct answer is option A, Lord William Bentinck. Who has recently become 32nd member of NATO in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Who composed the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which of the following football team won the Durand Cup 2024? Correct answer is option C, North East United. Which is the first state to provide insurance for disaster risk management? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland. In which year Project Crocodile was launched in India? Correct answer is option B, 1975. National Rice Research Institute is situated in which of the following? Correct answer is option C, Cuttack, Orissa. Which among the following is not a constitutional body? Correct answer is option C, NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. Who is the chairman of the Financial Stability and Development Council, FSDC? Correct answer is option B, the Finance Minister. When was the first election held in India? Right answer is option B, 1951-52. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Right answer option D, Rajasthan. Which is the first state to become 100% organic? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. In which state of India is the Nongkrem dance festival celebrated? Correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. NSSO works under which ministry? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Who is the author of Neel Darpan? Correct answer is option B, Deenbandhu Mitra. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Correct answer is option C, Singapore. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Orissa. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the first Asian Buddhist Summit held in 2024? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Kalsobai Peak is located in which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. In which state Sonpur Mela is organized annually? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. What is the main purpose of the Kavach technology adopted by Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B, to prevent train collisions. Who was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize in Economics? Correct answer option B, Amartya Sen. The device used for measurements of temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius is? Correct answer is option B, radiation pyrometer. Thiriyattam is a ritualistic dance form of which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Under which article of Indian Constitution Hindi is declared as the official language? Correct answer is option B, Article 343. Kumudini Lakhia, who passed away recently, was a renowned Kathak dancer. She was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in which year? Correct answer is option D, 2025. What is the main aim of the Kyoto Protocol? Correct answer is option C, to reduce greenhouse gases. The Corruption Perception Index is released by which of the following? Correct answer is option C, Transparency International. Which of the following is the largest landlocked country in the world? Correct answer is option C, Kazakhstan. The Radcliffe Line is a boundary between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Pakistan. Which state won the 78th edition of Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Nagaland. Which city has been officially declared as India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option D, Kozhikode. Which state is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. The Santhal tribes is primarily found in which of the following states? Correct answer, option B, Jharkhand and Bihar. Who has the power to dissolve Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C, the President of India. Who was the first elected chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B, Satchidanand Sinha. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Nuakhai festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Orissa. Economic survey is published by? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Finance. The 129th Constitutional Amendment Bill is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option C, One Nation, One Election. Pandit Jasraj, an Indian classical vocalist, was associated with which of the following music gharanas? Correct answer is option B, Mewati Gharana. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Which state has achieved the GI tag for reindeer silk and Khasi handloom products? Correct answer is option C, Meghalaya. Which is the oldest national park of India? Correct answer is option A, Jim Corbett National Park. Who has the power to amend the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option C, the Parliament of India. Which state is known as the Tea Garden of India? Correct answer is option D, Assam. The right to education in India is a? Correct answer is option C, fundamental right. Where will India's first public-private partnership green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which one of the following is not a member of ASEAN? Correct answer is option C, Taiwan. Wanakbori Thermal Power Station is in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. In the Union Government, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to? Correct answer is option C, the Lok Sabha. During which movement was Sardar Patel given the title of Sardar? Correct answer is option D, Bardoli Satyagraha. The first estimate of national income in India was made by? Correct answer is option B, Dadabhai Naoroji. Charaideo Medam becomes the 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. It is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. The Space Application Center is located at which place? Correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The Sarod player Ali Akbar Khan was related to? Correct answer is option D, Mehar Gharana. Ugadi festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. In which state is Brihadeshwara temple located? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. On which lake is India's first and only floating post office located? Correct answer is option A, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Which Indian state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Who has been appointed as the Controller and Auditor General of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Pascal is a unit of measuring. Correct answer is option C, pressure. Who was the chairman of the first Administrative Reforms Commission initially? Correct answer is option A, Morarji Desai. Natpa Jakri Hydel Power Project is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following is not included in the state known as Seven Sisters of the Northeast? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. What is India's rank in the World's Press Freedom Index in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151st. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Andrew G. Bartow and Richard S. Sutton. Who amongst the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly of India? Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Center-state relation is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, part 11. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer option A, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option C, Yuji Iwasawa. Which of the following Indian states share the longest border with Myanmar? Correct answer option A, Arunachal Pradesh. River Satluj enters India through which pass? Right answer is option D, Shipkila Pass. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. How much money has been allocated to the Indian Railways in the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 2.52 lakh crore. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Correct answer is option B, Chilika Lake. Which Indian state shares a boundary with the maximum number of other states? Correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Who is called the guardian of the public purse? Correct answer is option B, the Controller and Auditor General of India, CAG. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Correct answer is option A, pancreas. Who administers the oath to the judge of the Supreme Court? Correct answer is option A, the President. The river which flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges is? Correct answer is option A, Narmada River. Z-More Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Nomadic Elephant is a joint military exercise between India and? Correct answer is option B, Mongolia. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. EVM or electronic voting machine was used for the first time in which state? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which state is the largest producer of groundnut in India? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer is option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Kurja pottery is associated with which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. When was the PIN code system introduced in India? Correct answer is option C, 1972. Where is the headquarters of the Geological Survey of India located? Correct answer is option A, Kolkata. Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of? Correct answer is option A, Philippines. Shivasamudram waterfall is located on which river? Correct answer is option A, Kaveri River. Which one of the following rivers originates from Amarkantak? Correct answer is option A, Narmada River. When was the Southern Coast Railway established? Correct answer is option C, 2019. Which tiger reserve is India's first dark sky park? Correct answer is option B, Pench Tiger Reserve, Maharashtra. Which disease is caused by excessive cadmium in the body? Correct answer is option C, Itai. Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option D, the Supreme Court of India. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Mrs. Globe International 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Correct answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, South Africa. Which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, India. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. In 2024, which of the following cities got the tag of World Craft City? Correct answer, option C, Srinagar. In which state is Imunu Eradpa festival celebrated? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. Which of the following are separated by 10-degree channel? Correct answer is option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Rukmini Devi is associated with which of the following dance forms? Correct answer is option B, Bharatnatyam. What is the maximum interval period between two sessions of Parliament? Correct answer is option B, 6 months. Who is often considered as the father of Indian statistics? Correct answer is option C, P.C. Mahalanobis. Where is the Forest Research Institute of India located? Correct answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Center-state relation is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Part 11. In which year was Project Elephant launched by the Government of India? Correct answer is option C, 1992. Who is the author of the book The Indian Struggle? Correct answer is option D, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Which is the largest coffee producing state of India? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. What is the main purpose of the Kavach technology adopted by Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B, to prevent train collisions. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which of the following is the largest landlocked country in the world? Correct answer option C, Kazakhstan. In which year was the first separate railway budget in India was presented? Correct answer is option B, 1924. The famous temples of Mahabalipuram are located in which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Correct answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Correct answer is option C, Saddle Peak. Which country won the 2024 Sultan Azlan Shah Trophy by defeating Pakistan in the final? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer option B, John Mahama. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B, B.N. Rao. Who has been selected as Wisden leading women's cricketer in the world for 2024? Correct answer is option B, Smriti Mandhana. Where is the headquarters of Central Railway? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Which of the following sports has been included in the Asian Games 2026? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, cricket and mixed martial arts. Who is the chairman of the Economic Intelligence Council? Correct answer is option D, Finance Minister. Which is the first state to achieve 100% rural electrification in India? Correct answer is option C, Haryana. When was the Make in India initiative launched by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, 2014. In which year was the Kumbh included in the list of intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO? Correct answer option C, in 2017. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to? Correct answer is option C, Anti-Defection Law. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Gagan Gill. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Who has been elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol? Correct answer is option B, Valdeci Urquiza. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of ASSOCHAM in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manish Singhal. Which country won their fifth Billie Jean King Cup title in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Joseph Aoun has been elected as president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Lebanon. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option A, Koneru Hampi. Where was the 16th session of UNCCD, Conference of Parties COP16 held recently? Correct answer is option A, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Correct answer is option C, Los Angeles, USA. Srimati Sharda Sinha was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in the field of arts. She belongs to which state? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Manikbori Thermal Power Station is in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Naveen Ramgoolam has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer option D, Mauritius. 102nd Amendment Act is related to? Correct answer is option B, National Commission for Backward Classes. Kathak is the classical dance form of which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Patna, Bihar. Somnath Temple is located on the coast of which Indian state? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. The Sarod player Ali Akbar Khan was related to? Correct answer is option D, Mehar Gharana. Ugadi festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. In which state is Brihadeshwara temple located? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. What is the first hour of the proceedings of the House called? Correct answer is option A, question hour. Which of the following are separated by a 10-degree channel? Correct answer is option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. India's first National Centre for Marine Biodiversity is located in which city? Correct answer is option B, Jamnagar. Under which article of the Constitution is judicial review of parliamentary proceedings prohibited? Correct answer is option B, Article 122(1). Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of? Correct answer is option D, the members of both the Houses of Parliament. GST was introduced as which Amendment Act? Correct answer is option B, 101 Amendment Act. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who was the editor of the newspaper Kesari? Correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games? Correct answer is option B, Abhinav Bindra. Which country has won the FIFA World Cup the maximum number of times? Correct answer is option B, Brazil. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Correct answer is option B, MS Swaminathan. Who compiles and maintains the accounts of state governments? Correct answer is option D, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. In which state was the Panchayati Raj first introduced? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. The growth rate of agriculture production was negative during which 5-year plan? Correct answer is option A, third 5-year plan. The highest mountain peak in peninsular India is? Correct answer is option A, Animudi. Which of the following is the state animal of Sikkim? Correct answer is option A, red panda. Which article deals with annual financial statements? Correct answer option C, article 112. Hojagiri is the famous folk dance of which state? Correct answer is option A, Tripura. India has revoked the Indus Waters Treaty after the Pahalgam terrorist attack. In which year treaty took place? Correct answer is option C, 1960. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation was formed by which declaration? Correct answer is option B, Bangkok Declaration. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Mondou Duplantis, who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2025, is associated with which sport? Correct answer is option B, pole vault. In which of the following states are the Nallamala Hills located? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Modhera Sun Temple in Gujarat was built during the reign of which dynasty? Correct answer is option B, Chalukya dynasty. Which state in India has become the first to adopt water budget? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. In which state is Mauling National Park situated? Correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Sangrai is a folk dance of which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Tripura. The world's highest railway bridge has been built on which river? Right answer is option A, Chenab River. The South Central Railway's zonal headquarters is located in? Correct answer is option C, Sikandarabad. Who has become the youngest ever chairman of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option A, Jai Shah. Kebul Lamjao National Park is located on which lake? Correct answer is option D, Loktak Lake. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What is the name of the military operation launched by India to attack terrorist bases in Pakistan on the 7th of May? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. What was the code name of the first nuclear test conducted by India in Pokhran, Rajasthan? Correct answer option B, Smiling Buddha. In which state was Panchayati Raj first introduced? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. The word Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India has been taken from which one of the following? Correct answer is option A, Mundaka Upanishad. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into 2 union territories in which year? Correct answer is option C, 2019. The term of the Finance Commission is? Correct answer is option B, 5 years. Concept of welfare state in Indian Constitution is included in? Correct answer is option B, Directive Principle of State Policy. Article 17 of the Constitution of India deals with? Right answer is option C, abolition of untouchability. Which state is the largest producer of soybean in India? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. India's first international multimodal logistics park is being constructed in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option D, Vice President of India. When was the first election held in India? Right answer is option B, 1951-52. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Right answer, option D, Rajasthan. Which is the first state to become 100% organic? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Koneru Hampi is related to which of the following games? Correct answer, option A, chess. The Kalinga Award is given for contribution in the field of. Correct answer is option D, science. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who won the World Chess Championship 2024? Correct answer is option A, D. Gukesh. Recently, who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jatt. Who won the Indian Super League, ISL, 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Daniel Noboa has been re-elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ecuador. Who has become the fastest Indian to score a century in the history of IPL? Correct answer is option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Who has been awarded Fiji's highest honor, Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madhusudan Sai. In which city is Indian Railways rail coach factory located? Correct answer is option D, Kapurthala, Punjab. Asia's largest desalination plant will be built in which state? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B, Kamya Karthikeyan. Where will the 2025 World Para Athletics Championship be held? Correct answer is option A, India. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who was honored with the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. Who has won the title of Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Share your answer in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.